Namaste, all of you. I'm Nidhi Yogini, and welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel Yoga with Nidhi Yogini. I wish everybody doing well and keep watching my YouTube videos. So, guys, today we will talk about diabetes type 2. This is a very common problem nowadays in our lifestyle. Most of people, they're facing this type 2 diabetic problems. So, it's a very simple cause. We are not exercising regularly, we are not eating proper with full of nutrition meal, and of course we all are, most of people, with lots of stress. So these are the common cause to having this type 2 diabetes problem. So how we can cure or balance this problem by the yoga poses, yoga asanas, and breathing exercises. And of course we can take proper food diet plan to cure this problem. So first of all, I would like to explain in a very short way what is the type 2 diabetes. So type 2 diabetes is a metabolic disorder that causes sugar, means glucose, to accumulate in the blood. And in type 2 diabetes, insufficient insulin production by the pancreas. It's simple, like pancreas doesn't produce enough insulin on our body. So how you can notify, or like how you can notice like this person having type 2 diabetes? So there are the few symptoms, so we can check, we can judge the person who's having a type 2 diabetic. So it's simple. Number one, it's like frequently urination. The person who's having type 2 diabetes, they feel very frequently urination. And number two, excessive thirst. And number three, it's weakness. Most of the time people, they feel too much weak, dizzy, drowsiness. And next is blurred vision. So by these are the cause by chemical imbalance is in the blood related high level of blood glucose. So, and like after this, most of people, they are really not aware about the symptoms. And of course, if they are not aware, so they are not on the medications, and many months, years, they pass like this. And the situation, once it comes too much worse, then they come to know, yes, we have this a problem. So it is very important to catch diabetes to early stage, because later on high blood glucose damage to our body, our small blood vessels, and after this it's affect our after small, it's affect our large blood vessels. So with this we can suffer with many problems, many serious diseases, such like vision problem, nerve damage, kidney disease, heart disease, stroke, poor blood circulation in our body. So how we can cure and how we can balance this type 2 diabetes through the yoga postures, through the yoga asanas, yoga management. So here I will show you 3 main yoga asanas which is really helpful, and it's balance our diabetes, our blood level in our body. So first is Shalabhasana, second is Bhujangasana, and third is the Dhanurasana. So Shalabhasana is simply lotus pose. On your tummy you have to be lie down, so I'll show you. Yeah. So here you need one mat to perform your yoga practice. So just simply you need to be on your tummy and palms just beside the chest. First I'll show you Shalabhasana, lotus pose. So it is very important, like you need to be empty stomach and with the comfortable outfit. So for Shalabhasana, just gently you can bring your hands under your thighs here and chin on the floor in the beginning, and gently one by one you can raise your legs. First you can start from the left leg this way, and after few breath you can bring your leg down, and another one you can raise this way. Yeah, come back. Yeah, so now time to bring both legs together. While inhaling, gently start lifting your legs, and the same time you can gently bring your head up this way and keep looking at front. So guys, stay here as long as easily you can. Initially you can stay 8 to 12 breath, and then slowly come back. Perfect. If you require some rest, you can. Otherwise, you can continue your practice. So the next pose is our Bhujangasana, cobra pose you can say. So this is also on the stomach. So palms comes out here beside your chest and gently start lifting your chest upward this way. Perfect. So better to join your legs to get a proper position and keep looking up towards ceiling. Also here you need to stay according to your comfort and your body limitations. And then gently, while exhaling, slowly come down. Now, we have third posture. It's Dhanurasana. You can say bow pose as well. So that is also on the stomach. Now, need to fold the legs for Dhanurasana this way from the knees. And it's better to open your knees a little bit to get comfort position. And then slowly you can grab your ankle this way. Yeah. Now while inhaling, slowly start lifting your body. Your breathing is very important here. So you need to coordinate, you need to synchronize with your breath. And look up to ceiling. Perfect. After 8 to 12 breath, you can come back nicely. And relax. Okay. So now slowly come back and sit comfortable for the next breathing exercise. So I would like to add here breathing exercise also very important to balance your diabetic problem, your blood sugar level. Yeah. So simply very easy and comfortable position you can adopt to sit here. I choose Sukhasana. Yeah. So hands also relaxing, top of your knees here you can see in the Gyan Mudra here. Anjali Mudra or Gyan Mudra, this is Anjali Mudra, this is Gyan Mudra, whatever you want you can choose it. Yeah. And then eyes closed. Spine, neck erect. Now I'm going to start Anulom Vilom Pranayama, Nadi Shodhana Pranayama also it called. So this pranayama also very important and helpful to balance, to cure your diabetic type 2. Now, here I will adopt first Nasika Mudra. So here the Nasika Mudra, and then I'm start blocking my right nostril from the thumb tip and start breathing from the left nostril deeply. This pranayama, it's known as alternative breathing exercise as well, pranayama. So start breathing from your left nostril. Block your left nostril and exhale from the right. And inhale from your right nostril. Block the right nostril and exhale from your left one. One more round I'll show you. So start inhaling from the left nostril. Exhale from the right nostril. Inhale from your right. And exhale from your left. Perfect. Okay, so release please, come back. Yeah. So you saw here some yoga postures and breathing exercise. It's really helpful if you regularly doing this asanas, this breathing exercise, pranayama. So of course you can cure, you can balance your blood sugar level. And by the medications also you can feel that your blood sugar level it's maintaining, it's balancing. So don't be delayed. Start as soon as possible. Once you come to know that your blood sugar level is high, you need to visit to the doctor and start your medications. And of course you should start by the time yoga practice as well, and your proper diet with full of nutrition, with full of fibers, and drink lots of water every day. It's very important. So I hope you will like this video and you will subscribe, and definitely you're gonna share my YouTube channel as well. So thank you everyone, and wait for my next video. Soon I'll be back. Thank you so much. Have a lovely time all of you.